X100 just launched before few days ago. Fast refresh rate OLED display, flagship processor, flagship camera setup, excellent in design, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you in-depth review of the Vivo X100. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the design. The Vivo X100 this time comes with a 4 various color option, including the interstellar blue. The back panel boasts and design created through the micro nano lithography process, forming a memorizing star trail pattern. When light reflects off the back, it reveals numerous distinct star-like lines, offering a visually impactful experience. From a distance, the phone appears to have a subtle yet striking faint blue hue. The Vivo X100 offers a premium feel attributed partly to its slightly heavier weight, around 206 grams. Being a flagship camera-centric phone, the weight is balanced well, ensuring it doesn't feel excessively heavy when held. This balanced weight distribution contributes to a comfortable daily usage experience. Speaking of its display, it features a 6.78-inch curved screen with a resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, an intelligent LTPO refresh rate of 120Hz. The display on the Vivo X100 offers a peak brightness level of up to 3000 nits, with a global brightness reaching 667 nits and a HDR peak brightness hitting 1512 nits. Additionally, it excels its color accuracy and gamut coverage, boasting a 99.9% sRGB and 98.3% DCI-P3, ensuring a stunning viewing experience for movie and TV series. The phone enhances the HDR video quality and provides exceptional HDR video viewing experience with optimized content. The Vivo X100's camera setup includes the 3 camera lenses along with the laser focus camera. It delivers a full range of size professional images. The main camera features an f1.57 aperture with 50 megapixel lens and a 1.49-inch Sony IMX920 sensor, offering a focal length equivalent to 23 mm. Additionally, it incorporates a secondary 64 megapixel telephoto camera. The Vivo X100's camera lineup boasts a focal length equivalent to 70 mm with support of up to 100x digital zoom. It also houses a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera with a focal length equivalent to 15 mm. The camera allows recording video in 4K at 60 fps. As for the actual image quality, you can explore the sample photos showcasing natural color. I am about to upload the detailed review of the Vivo X100 Pro on my channel tomorrow. So subscribe to join our tech team and be among the first to see it. Now diving into the performance of the Vivo X100. This device is equipped with the Dimensity 9300 octa-core flagship processor, MediaTek's flagship chipset for this year. This chipset features the X4 super large core. The Dimensity 9300 max clock speed reaches 3.25 GHz, making it an on-paper flagship-grade chip. However, ultra-high performance processor tends to consume more power and generates higher heat. You can check the Antutu score, which goes beyond the 2.18 million, significantly outperforming most mobile phone chips. Looking at the Geekbench 6 core, it achieves 2236 points for the single core and 7461 points for the multi-core performance. Looking at the Geekbench 8 Gen 3 processor, it achieves the 2120 points for the single and 6732 points for the multi-core performance. Now let's dwell into the performance of the high-end game Genshin Impact. With the phone's brightness set to 63%, in the Sumeru city, the average frame rate of 59.7 fps is achieved. Accompanied by the power consumption of up to 5.4 watt, the overall performance in this game is outstanding. The maximum front temperature reaches 44.7 degree, while the rear temperature reaches 41 degree, with the power consumption of up to 16%. The heat dissipation performance remains impressive. Comparing to the 8 Gen 3, under the same condition, the 8 Gen 3 achieves an average frame rate of 58.8 fps with the power consumption of 5.7 watts. In this comparison, the Dimensity 9300 demonstrates the lower power consumption than the 8 Gen 3 while maintaining a higher Antutu running score. So ultimately, is the Dimensity 9300 better than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3? When it comes to the performance of King of Glory, The Vivo X100 achieves an average frame rate of 120.9 fps with a power consumption of 3.7 watt. Speaking of the battery, the phone boasts a 5000 mAh battery capacity and supports 120 watt fast charging, capable of charging the battery to 50% in just 11 minutes. With such specifications, there is no need to worry about the battery life and the charging for the daily use. It's more than sufficient. The Vivo X100 start at approximately 3,999 Chini Yuan in China, approximately 446 pound in the UK. In conclusion, this phone comes equipped with the top of the line Dimensity 9300 powerful processor, delivering the better performance than the H Gen 3. In gaming experience stands out, making this SoC hard to ignore. Moreover, the phone offers a flagship level photography with the Zeiss effect across the full focal length, benefiting from the Zeiss unquestionable color science expertise. The Vivo X100 impresses with its natural color and the excellent display that showcases the HDR photo beautifully. The telephoto camera captures the super sunset effects, and an overall design of the phone is also impressive. So what do you think about the Vivo X100? Which features appeals to most of, and what price should it be launched in UK? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any question, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.